So this is the Russell Hobbs carpet cleaner that we use. Can't recommend it thoroughly enough. Excellent quality, very easy to set up. Literally all you do is you put in the tank, you put this bottom bit in, and job's a good one. And then obviously it's got the plug and everything at the back here. So you can see here, all you do is you turn it off and on here to set it up and actually spray. You use the trigger here. In terms of setting up the water and the formula stuff, all you do is just take that apart and you can actually lift that off and then take it away to go and fill it with water. So you don't have to try and navigate with a jug. You literally just take this off, fill it with the water and your formula, and jobs are good in there. So the other bit you need to know about is just when you're using it, and once this bit gets filled, because this is where the dirty water will end up, is you press this button here and that releases it, and then you can lift it. So you'll see here it's got the water kind of plug here, so you can empty it from there too, but just to let you see it all the way around because it is empty just now. Very easy, very simple, and actually works an absolute treat. We've got a toddler and we have got a Westie who tends to have mucky paws, and every time this has taken out all of the stains. So I definitely recommend. I think it's worth the money. Go and enjoy.